Hey everybody, we're going to go over some of the differences in the latest generation of Glock, the Gen 6, and an older generation of Glock. And for that example, I will have the Glock 21 Gen 3. So put them here. So first off, this is the Glock 21 Gen 3. This is the Glock 17 Gen 6. First thing to notice is the stippling on the Gen 3. It's much more mild. I mean, it's fine. The Gen 3 still had the finger grips, and those had their own little bit of stippling in there. But this is much less aggressive than the Gen 6. The Gen 6, that is, for me, the correct amount of stippling. It is aggressive without feeling like I'm just going to just sandpaper my hand right off while using it. Next difference, front serrations. The Gen 3 has none. The Gen 6 has forward slide serrations. And these ones, which are different than like the Gen 4 and Gen 5s with front serrations, these ones are thick at the top or deeper at the top, so you get better purchase on them. And yeah, they're pretty nice and aggressive. Next difference, optic cut. Gen 6 comes with the optic cut. The Gen 3 did not. And most 4s and 5s didn't either, unless you got the specific MOS version. My understanding is that they've changed from the MOS, but I haven't. I am planning on putting an optic on here. I want to see what is compatible with it and what footprint it is using. And I will do one. I'll probably, I mean, my first choice is probably the HoloSun EPS. I like the Donut of Death reticle, and that one's what I've had on my whatchamacallem, the Shadow System DR920, which is a Glock clone. Another difference, this little spot right here in front of and above the trigger guard, this is just like a lump, and it's smoothish right there on both sides. On the Gen 6, it's still there, but it has the same stippling as the handle, and there's a little shelf here. So whenever you're holding it to shoot, if you want to kind of use this as a brake to kind of push down, have a little bit downward pressure when you're shooting, you can. The mag releases, still pretty much the same. The Gen 6 is bigger and not as pokey as the Gen 3 on the Glock 21. You can see this one's a little bit bigger. There's more of the shape of the slide release guard is a little bit different, but they both feel like they're going to get the job done. I mean, if you run your thumb high, you could still hit this, but they both have a little guard. This one is mostly in the front, and then it kind of cuts away in the back on the Gen 6. The Gen 3 was just a solid shelf on the bottom with no forward wraparound, but it's evenly height all the way around. Oh, this was a good angle. You can kind of see the depth. The depth of the forward slide serrations was easier to see there, as opposed to the regular depth of the rear slide serrations. The sights, both the same U and dot for Glock plastic. The Gen 6 has the dovetail. The Gen 3 does not. I kind of like it. Keeps you from getting slide bite as it's operating. I haven't looked at the internals yet, but that's some of the differences in the older generation Glocks versus the Gen 6. Hope that helps.